said are raised like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. We're going to sing the Amazing Grace in the key of C, and we simply need C, F, and G. C, F, and G. And we have our song, Amazing Grace. Please use the comment section to write what is helpful in this video to help us serve you better. Thank you for your participation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wreck like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my ears relieved. How precious it my grace appeared the hour I first believed. Now we continue to the third stanza. Before we continue to the third stanza, there are two things we need to bring to our attention. One, the starting and the counting. Amen. So the starting is on the third beat. We are not singing. We are not singing. So it's on the third one that we start singing. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So it's on the third because counting in picking is so important. So the starting will determine if you will keep to the beat. Because if the starting is not well done, you are going to mix up the beat. So that is the first thing we need to bring to attention. The starting is on the third beat. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved. So the starting is on the third beat. The second thing we need to bring to our attention is the last G. Before we go to the last G at the end of the song, let's play it and then bring us to what we want to explain. Because there's a place where the beats are not 3. We'll play 2 beats. did not complete the beat. The last G. Now let's play it and then bring it to our attention. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. You are watching. So far, all the beats are complete. That said, a wretch like me, I once was lost, but now I'm found. You are watching, all the beats are complete, 3-3. Now get where we are. Was blind, but now I see. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is the ending. Was blind, but now I see. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the 1, 2 is on C. Then the 3 is only the bass of G. The 1, 2 is on C. Then instead of the 3, the tiny one, the 3 now will be the bass of G. And then we'll go back to C and continue. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So those are the two things. So as we play the third stanza, pay attention to the starting at the third count, and then pay attention to the ending, where we are going to count 1, 2 on C, and then 3 on G, and then come back to C. All right, now let's continue. The third stanza. Through many dangers, toils and snares, I have already come. This grace has brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home, and grace will lead me home. Now let's do the fourth stanza, taking note of still the beginning and the end, and then now we'll play the whole song neatly. Now let's go. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secured. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. We see the movement. Now let's play the whole song from stanza 1 to 3 and taking note of the beat. We take note of the picking and the beat. So you follow the keys on the screen so that you pay attention to the beat here, to the picking here. Amen. Okay. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Two, thus grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did thy grace appear, the hour I first believed, the hour I first believed. Three, through many dangers, thoughts and snares, I have already come. This grace had brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. Subscribe for our next song, and we'll make it as simple as possible. Thank you.